Hi, I'm Jen Fine. I'm the co-founder of YouLi, because you live to travel, and we power transformational trips like the ones Jeanette runs.
Hey, I'm Jeanette Cheah. I'm the co-founder of the Hacker.Exchange, and we're here to empower the next generation of entrepreneurs through global experiences. Hi, Jen.
Hi, and we're here because it's Female Founders Month.
And we just thought that it was a great chance to shout out to each other's businesses, really highlight some of the amazing work that's happening in the female founder community, and just demonstrate what it's like when you back each other as early stage founders.
Yeah, and we actually met at a One Roof event for female founders back in 2017.
That's right, and I think you were still pre-launch, and we were about to launch our first product as well. So we ended up becoming early adopters of YouLi, and just watching the platform go from strength to strength has been amazing.
And so we actually launched in November, and then in July we had our full feature set, and we just landed our first enterprise client last month.
Pretty amazing, and we've gone from one trip to San Francisco to now over 8 trips and over hundreds of students, and they're all learning amazing entrepreneurial skills from ecosystems like Tel Aviv. Next year we're launching Singapore and also Melbourne.
And it's just been amazing what happens when you back each other.
Yeah.
And we really encourage you to do the same for each other. And of course, if you want to reach out to us at any time, we are here.
Absolutely. Find your tribe, back each other, grow together, and feel free to reach out to either one of us if you ever need any help or support, and keep killing it.